Make a great choice today with the 2016 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, power liftgate, xenon headlights, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.